How to buy RXS, the Rexas finance token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, keep following the updates about this token. Now, let's go and buy this token. So as you can see, this is the token on CoinMarketCap. Now, go and open it there. So this is their website, as you can see. So this is the Rexas website. As you can see, the Rexas token, it's under the pre-sale. As you can see, you can buy it from here. Now just you need to connect your wallet from here. Now connect your wallet, as you can see. Subscribe to our notification, just click later. Now here select your wallet, for example Bitget wallet. Now after that click on continue. Now as you can see, our wallet is connected. Now you can buy this token. If you want to choose the card, as you can see, you can choose it and you will buy with it. Just read all of these. Now we will check the USDT, and now this is how much you want to buy, like 1000, but make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet to be able to buy it. Now click on buy now, and after that, as you can see, they will show you this Bitget wallet pop up. You just click on OK, and now as you can see, you need to approve and read all of this information on your wallet. Now just click on approve, and as you can see, insufficient balance to pay gas fee. So make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet or any wallet that you use, and check if you have enough Ethereum if you select it from here, or enough USDT if you select it too. Now so that you can buy this token. So this is how to buy the Rexas Finance or RXS token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.